Hello guys, look at my strawberry garden, looking good. Look at that. The white flowers is a strawberry fruit soon. Look at that. This is my strawberry garden look like, and full of flowers. I'm so excited. So nice. Very beautiful. I'm so excited to harvest it, guys. Look at that. Looking good, healthy, big flowers. Looks nice and clean now. My kids is playing with our geese, our two geese. She's trying to feed them. Look at that. So nice. Even the runners have a strawberry too. Strawberry flower. That's a runners. Looks like we're gonna be eating lots of strawberries soon. Very nice.